Hey everybody, hey, Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com, and you guessed it, it's time for another awesome video. Now everyone is looking for a way to save money. Seriously, aren't we all? That's why SeaWorld Orlando has come up with a new all-day dining deal that will help you stretch your budget. With this deal, you can enjoy a full meal every 90 minutes for one low price. Every 90 minutes. That's almost an hour and a half. Here's what you need to know about the SeaWorld all-day dining deal. Before we do that, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified when you're going to get these awesome videos. Let's get to it. The all-day dining deal includes an entree, a side, and a non-alcoholic beverage. You can choose from a variety of food options such as hamburgers, hot dogs, pizza, chicken fingers, salads, and more. Why do they call them chicken fingers? They don't have fingers. I don't know. It's something, that's my thing. That's my deal. The all-day dining deal is available for both adults and children, with prices starting at just $44.99 for adults and $22.99 for kids. This makes it a great option for families who want to save money while still enjoying a full meal at one of SeaWorld's many restaurants. In order to take advantage of the SeaWorld all-day dining deal, you simply need to purchase a regular admission ticket. Yeah, that's it. This ticket will give you access to all of the park's rides, shows, and attractions, as well as unlimited access to food at participating restaurants. If you're looking for a way to save money on all-day dining deals at SeaWorld Orlando while still enjoying all of the great food and entertainment that SeaWorld has to offer, then be sure to check out the all-day dining deal at this popular theme park. Whether you're traveling with kids or treating yourself to a special treat, this is an excellent option for anyone looking for some budget-friendly fun. Now, you're not usually allowed to bring outside snacks into SeaWorld as they may contain allergens that could be dangerous for other guests. However, if you have dietary restrictions or are concerned about food allergies, you may bring sealed and unopened snacks into the park to have during your visit. Shark Underwater Grill is not included in the all-day dining deal at SeaWorld Orlando. This restaurant is located outside of the park and requires an additional fee for admission. Dine with Orcas at SeaWorld is a special event that takes place periodically throughout the year. During this event, guests have the opportunity to watch orcas up close while enjoying a meal. The event typically lasts for 2 hours and is available for an additional fee. The cost of eating at SeaWorld Orlando varies depending on the type of meal you choose and the time of year you visit. Most meals at the park can be purchased for anywhere from $10 to $25, with higher end options like seafood and steak typically costing more than standard fare like burgers and hot dogs. Overall, it is possible to enjoy a full meal at SeaWorld Orlando on a budget if you plan ahead and seek out the best deals. Eating at SeaWorld doesn't have to be expensive, especially if you take advantage of the all-day dining deal. This is a great way to sample all of the different food options at the park without spending a lot of money. Just remember to bring your appetite and enjoy. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.